Video, we're going to take a look at my channel here and let me show you some of the things that I think are important that will help improve the quality of your channel and get you more views as well as to look more professional. As you can see here, I have a banner on my YouTube channel. Now, we're at my YouTube channel right here called iPhone Captain. So if you visit iPhone Captain Mitch, I think it'll bring you to this channel here. Now, that's what I've got it called. Yeah, you see it right here. And that's another thing, they'll let you change the name of your channel, I think, a few times. So take a look at that. But anyway, the banner is real important, and we can get, they even have exact sizes you need to make this. So when you're making it in Photoshop or whatever type of photo software you're using, you need exact dimensions for this. So keep that in mind because you have to make two or three different sizes. You have to make one for computer and another one I think you have to make for mobile. So you want to do your banner, make it look real nice, and here where the video introduces your channel, it comes on when you visit the page. That tells you need to get about a minute or two right there. You tell everything about your channel to sort of attract people to come in. That's another important thing about fixing your channel or optimizing it, whatever you want to call it. So those two things there are really what I wanted to hit on in this video was basically just the banner and this video here that you get to introduce your channel. Now another thing I think is really worth the effort and the money too is called TubeBuddy. So check into that. I'll have a link for you on the resource page. If you use it, I'll maybe get a little discount or something, and you will too. So check that out on the resource page. YouTube Buddy, it's not YouTube Buddy, it's just Tube Buddy, will really help you. It's got all different kind of features in there that will help improve your video quality, and just they just teach you so much inside that app. They've got background music you can use that you don't have to worry about getting a copyright for, all kinds of stuff. So check that out too, guys. So that's the three things I wanted to hit on in this video. Was that banner. It is important that you put that on there. Get a nice one. You can get it made on Fiverr for maybe $10 if you don't want to do it yourself. And the video here, do an introduction of yourself and tell a little bit about your video. I mean, your channel. That way people know what they're getting into. And check out TubeBuddy. I think those things right there will really help improve your channel a lot. So we'll check you in the next one.